Hello everybody and welcome to the McCall's kitchen. My name is Elisha, I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop and we are here to celebrate Easter with some fun goodies that we're gonna make together. I am making a giant egg today, so make sure you guys do watch till the end of the video because this is gonna be a good one. I've got all the supplies in front of me. Make sure you guys do subscribe to our channel. We have lots of content coming for you guys, especially with Easter and all the fun pastels and sprinkles. Let's get started on this video. So let me take you guys through everything I have in front of me today. We are going to be using this giant egg mold, which you can get at McCall's, to make a nice giant egg. I'm sure you guys have seen the breakable hearts everywhere where you take a little mallet and you break the heart open and then there's chocolates and goodies under it. We're going to do the same thing with an egg. So I've got some goodies that we're going to be using to fill the egg. We've got some McCall's sprinkles, and of course I've got my easy melts from McCall's, which I'm going to be coloring using their chocolate color here. So this one's a pink and we've got violet, and I've also got my spatula. So let me get some of this cleared out and we'll get our chocolate melted and we'll be right back to show you how we're going to put this together. So the white chocolate that I had, I actually went ahead and I colored it purple over here. So I used the McCall's purple candy color, and I'm going to show you how I do the same thing with the pink. So again, you only need a little bit, but if you want it to be more vibrant, you can add a bit more. So this is actually the exact pink that I wanted to get. And what I love is that this color does not change the chocolate at all. It's still so nice and runny, and it's gonna be perfect for making our eggs. So just gonna grab my yellow and then we'll get started on our egg. Now that we have our colors ready to go, the next step is actually making our eggs. So we're going to be making both sides to make a 3D egg, but I'm going to start with one side first, and I kind of want to have fun with it today, so I'm just going to be pouring the chocolates in all over and making it kind of like a fun marble or tie-dye effect with the yellow, purple, and pink. So let me get started with that and I'll show you how I bring that together. Alright, so now that I've got a little bit of color in here, I'm actually going to tap it just to fill in any of those holes. And I'm going to move it around. And then our next goal is to actually get the whole egg covered here. So I'm going to add a little bit more chocolate so that we can actually get to our edges. And then at the end, we're going to be tapping out any extra. All right, that color itself already looks so nice. I'm actually going to have a spare bowl on handy right here, and we're going to tap out some of that extra chocolate. It's going to get a little messy, so just have some tissues on hand. And we're not overusing the chocolate. So you're gonna grab your spatula and we're just gonna clean off that excess. And what I like to do is I'm gonna let this set now, and then I'm actually just gonna go in and reinforce the top edges here after it sets with just a little bit more of this chocolate. So I'm gonna let this beautiful half egg set. I'm gonna go in and reinforce it, and then we'll be back to put it together. And we're back with our eggs ready to be assembled. I've got the first one that I already took out here, and just look at that beautiful color that I was going for. And this one looks even better, so I'm really excited to take it out. What I do have with me is a warmed up tray. So we did warm this up in our oven, but you can also use a plate and warm it up in the microwave because we're gonna need to melt the edges a little bit to stick it together. So first I'm gonna start off by taking this out, and the beautiful thing about these molds is that they're so easy to use. It just basically slides right out, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. When you put it down, you're just gonna put a little bit of pressure and it will come out. And there you have it. So we're gonna put that aside and look at how beautiful this one looks. I feel like this one came out a little bit nicer than the other side, but that's okay because we need a bottom and we need a top. So now that we have both of these ready, I am resting it on a little cutter here so that it stays straight. And we're just gonna go in and we're gonna fill everything, and then we're gonna put our lid on our eggs. So we've got our mini eggs here. We've got some chocolates. And then I'm also gonna put some marshmallow hearts. All right, and now, last but not least, we are going to melt down the edges on this guy, and then we're gonna put it to close off our egg. And our chocolate egg is all done. I absolutely loved how these colors turned out together, and it is filled with all the goodies that we showed in the video. The next thing that you can do at home is you can grab a little mallet and then smash it open to get back to all those goodies that we stuffed it with. It's a fun activity for the kids, and this is so easy to make. You guys watched me do it, and you can do it as well at home with all the McCall's supplies that we used today. So make sure you guys do check out our website if you are looking to create something like this. And if you do, make sure to tag us at McCall's and myself at Fiorella Bake Shop, because we want to see all your beautiful Easter creations. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we are going to be breaking this on our Instagram channel. So follow us on Instagram if you aren't already, and we'll see you very soon.